Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your gift card balance on Walmart. Open the website walmart.com, then click on Account. Then, a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign in or Create Account. Click on Sign in or Create Account. Now enter your email address. After entering, click on Sign in. Then, enter your password. Once entered, click Sign in. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper left side of the screen. Click on the option that says Services. A drop-down list will appear. Click on the option that says Financial Services. Then you will see several options. Click on Gift Cards. On this page, you will see a section for View Your Gift Card Balance. Under it is a button for Check It Now. Click on Check It Now. On the field provided, enter your 16-digit gift card number and PIN. After entering, click on Check Balance. That's how you view your gift card balance on Walmart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.